Just got set up a few minutes into shooting light. No wind. Let's see what happens. Oh, right there, guys. Right in front of you. Right in front of you. Kill it. Nice. Uncle Steve's or Brian's bird? Headshot. Who got this one? Go, guys. Oh, that's, I think that was you, buddy.
Wait, coming back. I'll go get it. Wait.
Brian, right there. Take one. No. Go, Steve. Got it, watch out. Beautiful widgeon. Got a stud bird, Bri.
Nice.
This is yours.
I wounded him, but it didn't seem like he was going down, so I shot again. I don't know if I even hit him on the second shot. But... Thanks, Brian. I broke the spell. This is like Brian getting his first pintail.
Got a stud, dude.
What's that?
You got a stud.
Oh, nice.
Look at that guy.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
I'll have to keep him.
His wing's a little chopped, but nicely done, guys.
That's painful. Maybe I will have to get the other ear plate.
Got 3 pintails dropping over there.
Oh, what a shot.
Nice straight green wing. Take it. Get him! He's still there. You go.
I got him on the last shot.
Folded him on that last one. Nicely done. You said you have the jerk cord or no? I got it.
We work together on it with 10 minutes maximum. It might help us a little. Can you run the jerk cord from your blind, Brian?
What?
Can you run the jerk cord from your blind up this corner?
I could try to remember to.
Well, here, because we're going to give it to you, then we're going to undo it. Now, boys, that was a gimme. Those two should have been dead then.
Well, one of them's dead. Other Drake. Green wing.
Three shot whammy. That's what I'm talking about. Right there, Jordan.
I hit it on the first shot. It's coming down.
No, it's safer to just finish it like you did.
Keep finishing that. Yeah, I got the closer one. Yeah, another 2-shot bird. Just do me a favor and grab mine right there. And shoulder, make me work for it. Spoonies. Whew.
You guys got 3 apiece, man?
I got 4 over here now.
4?
Yeah.
Over the ground.
I got 1.
Uh-oh.
He's got the bird of the day though. Let him come, Brian. Oh, come on, he's gonna eat.
pintail.
You let him come closer, man. He was coming a lot closer than that.
Oh, I'm angry at myself right now.
Now, am I crazy to go look for him?
I'll go with you.
He's right here. Stone dead. Yes. Stone dead. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my goodness. I was gonna say, man, he was hit hard. I knew.
I hit him. I don't know who else or what.
I mean, like you see the shots, man.
What?
How this guy didn't just fold up. I mean, he should have just folded up, but he didn't. I'm just happy we found him, man. Close enough, guys. Close enough. You hit one.
Oh, I hit one, but it didn't go down. Darn it.
Down.
You aimed at the same one? Okay, well.
He's gonna die right there. That's a long walk. He's dead. I think he's gonna die. I'm gonna pull these decoys in a little bit closer right here on these ones. He's a long ways out there, but I think he's dead.
Smacked him. There's a dead bird. Nice shot, Jordan.
Jordan, did you shoot?
Yeah.
Did you shoot?
Oh yeah, finally I shot a bird by myself.
Oh, go ahead.
You guys must have shot the same exact
No,
time.
I thought, oh, Jordan's letting it go. He got way out here. Oh, great. Oh, man.
Go ahead. He's your bird.
Hey, I had no idea that you shot.
Neither did I. I thought I was the only one who shot. It's all right.
Bird's coming down.
You got your duck strap deployed already?
Yeah, it's fine. You take him.
Nice. Nice. Sweet. One shot.
I'll take it. It's a headshot.
Where did he come from? 3 o'clock?
He came, yeah, about 1 o'clock probably actually. Yeah. That felt better. And Chevrolet. There. Got him, yes! We each got one. Where is he? Where is he? Yeah! All right. Woo! Woo! Well, Uncle Steve and I just doubled up on our pintails. All right. Yes. Nice. Bit of a smaller bird, but got him pretty good. Couple nice pintails. Yeah. Oh man, that'll change the game, huh? I was actually on this one and I saw, oh, he hit that one, so I moved over to this other one here. Got our pintails today.
What's that?
We got our pintails today.
Yeah. And they,
that was really good.
I think it helped to redeploy things. Well, we have a little ripple in the water.
We moved these in, we thinned this out over here, and they seem to like it. I'll take it.
6 and 6.
All right, man. Woo!
What's wrong with that?
Hey, nothing wrong with that. Kill that widgeon, Uncle Steve. Kill it. Nice shot. There you go.
That one was up there, but I had more time.
Oh, that bird was every 30 yards. Woohoo! There you go. The spoon.
Brian's gonna come out and have like 5 birds on the spear.
Oh, that was great, man. Nice shot. Excellent. He said, where are they? Right behind you. Nice widgeon.
Tranny.
Oh, wow. Good shot, man. That was awesome. Oh, come on.
You want back up?
There it goes.
There you go. There you go. That's what I was aiming and I go, you want back up? No back up.
Oh,
needed.
man.
No back up needed. Here, give me some over here.
Yes. All right.
Third shot. Oh, dude.
I stoned him on the third one. Thank goodness.
Oh. He was hit.
Yeah, he was.
And I'm on him like, okay, you want back up?
I heard he said, no, I don't want it.
Well, that's right, hold on. More test trying to bring it down.
Ooh, easy.
See, what a difference. It's changed, right?
Yo, it's night and day right now.
I don't, which aspect made a difference? I don't know.
Oh, all of it made a difference.
People missed it moving.
He's an ugly one, but
Let me see if I can get one picture of my, hold that before this dies. I might as well try and get one picture. Strong wind just landing in the dark. Hey, hey, hey!
you hear him. Oh.
Come here, get yourself a big hug. One went down, boom, he got the other one.
How about that?
So,
So we're limited out, so now we are playing backup for you.
That was Jordan's limit right there.
Oh, was it? The one you just saw, yeah.
We're singing backup right now.
Oh, good, 'cause I
So
got
you want something, we're gonna help you.
Alrighty, y'all, that was the end of that duck hunt. Had a great time with Uncle Steve and Brian out there. We were able to shoot a little over a 2-man limit, but the bonus was we all got our nice Drake pintail, which was really cool. Got a nice shot with them with the hats right there. But had a great time with these guys. Had no wind in the morning, and then it picked up in the afternoon. We moved some decoys around, turned off the spinners, and birds seemed to work a lot better. But had a great time. Had a lot of fun. Looking forward to getting back out there again. See you guys on the next one.